Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the Concept 2 Air Mini and I am going to be doing some baking for you guys in this stove. Today I'm going to be baking up a pizza and I'm going to give you guys some temperatures along the process, and I'm gonna tell you how long it takes to start up your stove from being a cold stove to being able to actually have your oven hot enough to bake up some dinner. Today I'm going to be baking up a pizza for you guys, and I do have my soapstone pizza pan out, and I'm going to actually put this inside the baking oven right now. I just started the stove, so I'm not using any tools because it's not hot yet. Typically you will use a tool to open this. And I'm gonna put this in here to preheat my soapstone pizza pan to get nice and hot so that it's ready for my pizza. So I will keep you guys updated throughout this process as I bake up this beautiful pizza. I am ready to put the pizza in. My oven is reading 300 degrees Celsius, 540 actually, 512 on the bottom, 461 on the top. All right, and my pan, my soapstone pan is sitting at about 500 degrees right now, just shy, about 488. Set that here and make sure you close your oven so you don't lose your heat. And wow, it's really pretty hot. Here's my pizza. These videos here focus mostly on cooking the food inside the stove. If you guys want to see more on recipes, be sure to check out Cookstove Queen, cookstovequeen.com, and Cookstove Queen on YouTube for a cooking series that focuses more on the recipes and the food. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide my pizza onto my soapstone pan over here. Ooh, it's sizzling. Beautiful. I have pepperoni sausage pizza on my soapstone pan. I'm ready to slide it back into my Concept 2 Air Mini. I have it all ready to go. I'm gonna open up my oven door and slide this pizza back in. This large pizza pan with the handles does fit perfectly fine inside the Mini. One of the handles has to go towards the back because it doesn't quite fit in there sideways, which actually works out because then your handle's right there in the front, easy to pull on out. So I'm gonna bake up this pizza and update you guys as I go along. Wow, my pizza cooked up so fast. It's like looking perfect and golden brown in there. I'm gonna give it just a few more minutes. Yum. Okay, my pizza is done. It smells super good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. To Mini, my tool. Yeah. It's perfect. Wow, that's the one. I don't think I've ever heated up the soapstone pan first. Bingo. Take you guys up close and show you my pizza. I would say that my pizza is perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Done on the Concept 2 Mini. All in like 40 minutes, less than an hour, definitely less than an hour from starting the stove to making up the pizza and getting it all cooked up for dinner. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me make this pizza today on the Concept 2 Mini Cook Stove. If you guys like these videos, don't forget the quick thumbs up. If you can think of anybody else who might like these videos, please share them with a friend. And don't forget to check out Cookstove Queen. Thanks for being here. Cheers.